How to fix camera shutter lag in Huawei mobile phone. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and click on restore defaults and then click on OK. After restore defaults, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps and again click on apps and then click on camera. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.